In this video, I'll show you how to install the RingDNA Chrome extension. We'll begin by searching in our web browser, RingDNA Chrome extension. After accessing the Chrome Web Store, select the Add to Chrome button. Select Add Extension. Then close out of the extension pop-up in the upper right-hand corner. Select the puzzle piece, then the pin icon next to the recently downloaded extension. This ensures that the extension is easily accessible. Right-click on the extension and select Options. Be sure to enable the Salesforce Pass-Through Login checkbox. Then hit Save and close the two Chrome tabs that have been used throughout this configuration process. Congratulations on the successful installation. Please review additional resources for guidance on how to complete the next step of your setup by logging into the extension using your Salesforce or single sign-on credentials. Thanks for watching.